Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this episode of my tutorial video channel. This is part 2 of linear programming. In this episode, I will discuss how you can formulate a linear programming problem and solve it. I have taken one example, and the example goes like this. A farm produces two products X and Y. X takes 2 hours work in machine A and 2 hours in machine B. Y takes 3 hours work in machine A and 1 hour work in machine B. Machine A has a capacity of 12 hours per day and machine B has a capacity of 8 hours per day. Profit per unit of X is 10 and that of Y is 6. Compute maximum profit. So a farm produces two products, product X and product Y, and the products pass through two machines, machine A and machine B. Product X takes 2 hours in machine A and 2 hours in machine B, whereas product Y takes 3 hours in machine A and 1 hour in machine B. And profit per unit of X is 10 and profit per unit of Y is 6. You have to maximize profit. So the objective function is max profit, pi's profit to Z equals to 10x plus 6y. X and Y are number of units of product X and Y respectively. We have assumed that profit per unit of X is 10, that is 10x is total profit from X, and profit per unit of Y is 6. So total profit from Y is 6y. So total profit becomes Z equals to 10x plus 6y. We have to maximize this, maximize Z. Now what are the subjective functions? Say this is machine A, this is machine B. Product X takes 2 hours in machine A and 2 hours in machine B. Product Y takes 3 hours in machine A and 1 hour in machine B. Therefore, and the capacity of machine A is 12 hours per day and capacity of machine B is 8 hours per day. So what will be the subjective functions or the linear constraints? Subjective functions. 2x plus 3y is less than equal to 12. So 2x plus 3y is less than equal to 12 and 2x plus 1y is less than equal to 8. 2x plus 1y is less than equal to 8. Okay? Now we will start with the subjective functions as I have said in part 1. Let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. First we take equation 1. What is that? 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. You take equals to sign while solving the problem, although it is less than equal to 12. But you take 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Now putting x equals to 0 in this equation, what we get? 2 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 12. 2 into 0 is 0, so 3y equals to 12. Therefore, y equals to 12 by 3, that is 4. So we get one set of values, that is x is equal to 0, y equals to 4. Now putting y equals to 0, let's see what we get. Putting y equals to 0, what we get? 2x plus 3 into 0 is equal to 12. 3 into 0 is 0, so 2x 2x equals to 12. Therefore, x equals to 12 by 2, that is 6. So we get another set of values, that is x equals to 6, y equals to 0. Now we shall put these values on the graph paper. Although it is not a graph paper and I am not drawing the diagram to the scale, because you can solve it algebraically. x0, y4. So we get this value as 0, 4. And another value is x6 and y0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we get this value 6, 0. Now we join these 2 points. Okay. Yeah. So equation of this straight line is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Now come to equation 2. That is subjective equation function 2. What is that? 2x plus y is equal to 8. 2x plus y is equal to 8. We will take the same process. That is, first we put the value of x as 0, putting x equals to 0. What we get? 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 8. 2 into 0 plus 1 into y is equal to 8. 2 into 0 is 0. Therefore, y equals to 8. So we get one set of values as x equals to 0 and y equals to 8. Now we shall put y equals to 0 in this equation, that is equation 2. Putting y equals to 0. What we get? 2x plus 0 is equal to 8. Therefore, x equals to 8 by 2 equals to 4. So another set of values is x equals to 4 and y equals to 0. Now we shall put these values here. Which is first one? x0, y8. So this is 0, 8. And the other is 4, 0, x4, y0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 0. So this is 4, 0. Correct? Now we shall join these 2 points. So this is the equation. This is the second one is the equation of this straight line, that is 2x plus y is equal to 8. Now we have found out the feasible solution space, that is the bound area. Okay, this is the feasible solution space, and we have got 4 corners, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let these 2 straight lines intersect at point A. So we have to find out the coordinates of A. How can we do that? We can do that by simply solving the linear constraints, that is the subjective functions. What are the subjective functions? 2x plus 3y equals to 12. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, and 2x plus y equals to 8. Let this be equation 3 and let this be equation 4. We subtract equation 4 from 2. Plus 2x minus 2x go away. So remains plus 3y minus y, that is 2y, is equal to plus 12 minus 8, that is 4. Therefore, y equals to 2. Now I put the value of y in either of these two equations. Putting y equals to 2 in equation 4. 2x plus y equals to 2, so 2x plus 2 equals to 8, or 2x equals to 8 minus 2, or x equals to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So the coordinates of A is x equals to 3, y equals to 2. So this is 3 and 2. Now we shall make a table consisting of 3 columns, x, y and z. X, y and z. And we shall put the values of these coordinates. We need not consider this point 0, 0, because if we consider this point, then profit will be 0. So no need to consider this point. We will consider only these 3 points. This point, and this point. First 0, 4, then 3, 2 and then 4, 0. 0, 4, 3, 2 and finally 4, 0. What is the subjective or what is the objective function? Z equals to 10x plus 6y. So here we get 10 into 0 plus 6 into 4. That is 10 into 0 is 0 and 6 into 4 is 24. So this is 24. Then we get 10 into 3 plus 6 into 2. 3 10 is 30 and plus 12, that is 42. And finally 4, 0. So we get 10 into 4 plus 6 into 0 equals to 40. Okay. Now which is the maximum value? This is the maximum value. 42 is the maximum value. This means profit is maximized when the firm is producing 3 units of X and 2 units of Y. So the answer is max Z is equal to 42. Okay. So here we have learned how to formulate the problem and how to solve the linear programming problem. We have taken one numerical example. A firm is producing two products, product X and product Y, and both the products pass through two machines, machine A and machine B. Product X takes 2 hours in machine A and 2 hours in machine B, and product Y takes 3 hours in machine A and 1 hour in machine B. The capacities of machine A and B are 12 hours per day and 8 hours per day respectively, and profit per unit of X and Y are 10 and 6 respectively. So first we have formed the objective function, that is Z equals to max Z equals to 10x plus 6y. 10 is the profit per unit of X, 6 is the profit per unit of Y, so 10x plus 6y is the total profit. Then we have formulated the linear constraints, that is 2x plus 3y is less than 12. Machine product X takes 2 hours in machine A and 2 hours in machine B, and product Y takes 3 hours in machine A and 1 hour in machine B. So 2x plus 3y is less than equal to 12 because capacity of machine A is 12 hours per day, and 2x plus 1y is less than 8 because capacity of machine B is 8 hours per day. We have first put the value of X as 0 in the first constraint, the first subjective function. We have put X equals to 0 and found out Y equals to 4. So this is one set of values, X equal to 0 and Y equals to 4. Then we have put Y equals to 0 in the same equation, and we have found out the values X equals to 6 and Y equals to 0. Then we have considered equation 2. 2x plus y is equal to 8. We have gone through the same process. We have put x equals to 0 here, and we have found out the values x equals to 0 and y equals to 8. And again we have put y equals to 0 in this equation. So we have found out x equals to 4 and y equals to 0. Now we have plotted these points. Here we have got these two straight lines representing two linear constraints or subjective functions. Now these two straight lines intersect at point A. So this blue shaded area is called the feasible solution space or feasible solution area. We have to find out the coordinates of point A, and we have done this by simply solving two subjective functions, that is two quadratic equations, and we have found out x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. So we have already got the values of all these four coordinates 0, 0, 0, 4, 3, 2 and 4, 0. You don't need to consider 0, 0 because in that case profit will be 0. So there is no need to consider the origin. So I have put the values 0, 4 here. So profit is 10 into 0 plus 6 into 4, that is 24. Then 3, 2. Profit is 10 into 3 plus 6 into 2, that is 30 plus 12, that is 42. And this point here 4, 0, that is profit is 10 into 4 plus 6 into 0. 10 fours are 40, 6 0 is 0, so total is 40, and the maximum value is 42. So the firm will be producing 3 units of X and 2 units of Y to maximize the profit, and the maximum profit is 42. This is the answer. Okay. Yeah, so far so good. I believe you have well understood this. Still, should you have any doubt in your mind, if you have any question, please feel comfortable to let me know through the comment box. I shall be very happy to answer to all your relevant queries. If you think this video is beneficial for you, please do share the video with your friends, brothers, sisters and colleagues so that they can also get benefit by watching this video. And finally, thank you very much for watching this video. Stay well and goodbye.